is going on, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to restore your old synthetic wigs with fabric softener. I begin by placing my wig on my wig head and secure it with some wig pins, and then I take my detangling brush and I start from the bottom and move my way up when detangling, starting from the ends all the way up to the root. After I finish detangling, I take a plastic container and I fill it with hot water, and I take 3 caps full of the fabric softener and pour it into the hot water. Now I'm going to place my wig into my plastic container. My intentions were to leave it in there for an hour, however I did let it stay in for 3 hours. After letting it sit, I'm going to drain out all the excess water and I'm going to put it back on my wig head and blow dry the hair. When it comes to blow drying and curling synthetic hair, I do use medium to low heat because I do not want to melt the synthetic fibers that are in the hair. Even though the hair looks fairly straight after blow drying it, I go in with my flat iron and press the ends of the hair. Also, I go in with my cutting shears and cut the straggly ends off the hair. Alright y'all, I put the wig on and I mean, you know, it's moving. Please be very cautious. If you have sensitive smelling, like your nose is really sensitive, I would not choose the fabric softener way to revive your wigs because my room still smells like fabric softener and it's been 3 hours, and the hair does really smell like fabric softener, which I expect it to because, you know, when you wash your clothes smell like it, but it's like really strong. Maybe it's because I use so much of it, but I would suggest doing it a different way. I will include a video of a different way that I did on another wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video.